everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Insight Blusher. Now I got these last year in October I think, and I've been trying them for a very long time. I've tried them a couple of times, I would say, when I step out, because I'm a cream blush person. I do not like powdery things. Even though I'm an oily skin type, I really prefer a dewy skin any day. I do not like a powdered matte finish skin. So I look out for cream blushes and they are my favorite. I'm really excited to give you a detailed review about both of these products and the cheapest cream blush you will ever find in the market. So without any further ado, let's get started. As I said, why these are the cheapest cream blush you'll find in the market. It retails for 75 rupees for 3.5 grams of product, which is a huge quantity, and the price is like 75 rupees. What? It is a little too cheap, at least for the quantity you're getting. Now about the packaging of the product, it comes in a plastic packaging with something like this, where there is Insight Cosmetics blusher embossed in a golden sticker, I think. And this is very thin. You can literally throw it in your vanity, in your bag, in your purse, anywhere if you want to touch it up. They have the shade name, number and everything going on at the back side. It's just a sticker, it's not printed anywhere, so it does not matter. But there is no expiry date mentioned anywhere, and that's a bummer, I think. But if you want just one single blush, you can buy this, use it every day, just throw it away within a year or two and you're sorted. Mostly Insight Cosmetics products have a shelf life of 4 years as far as I remember. So even though not 4 years, this should have a minimum shelf life of 2 years. So you can use it easily within 2 years. It's available in 6 different shades, but I got only 2 shades, the Dusty Rose and Raspberry Gelato. I want to show you the texture of this product, but before that, just look at this, how this looks inside this. And once you try to rub this, it turns creamy the more you start swirling your hands on it. And once I swipe this here, you can see it's all liquidy and creamy sort of. So your blending becomes easy and it turns into a beautiful dewy finish on your skin. And you can see it blended pretty well. This blends like a dream for the price that it comes up with, and I'm genuinely happy. It lasts for at least 6+ hours on your skin, even in summer, and it gives a beautiful dewy finish on your cheeks. Even though it starts fading away, right, it looks like a pinkish glow from within. It doesn't look like you have a blush applied on your face. It looks like a natural glow that is coming up, and even after 6 hours it gives a slight pinkish tint to your cheeks, and no one will ever figure out that it's a cream blush. It gives you a natural pink flush. You could also use these tints for your cheeks and also your eyes as an eyeshadow. If you don't have anything, you can just apply this to match your cheeks and eyes, or just just take it up a little. Most people take their cream blushes or blush application to the outer edges of their eyes until here at least. Even if you want to create it as a base for your eyeshadow, or just keep it as an eyeshadow sort of, just some pink hint on your eyelids, you can do that, and it would last a very long time on your eyelids as well. The formula of this blusher is very lightweight. You won't feel like you have applied anything. It's not going to feel anything at all. No burning sensation, no heavy feeling, nothing. It won't even feel like you have blush on your cheeks. All these blushes are paraben free. They are also infused with vitamin E for moisturizing and hydrating your skin. The formula of these blushers are buildable, so in case you think that the coverage is not enough for you and you want a little more pink, you can easily build it up. You won't look like a ghost, I can say. It is very buildable, yet you can blend it in a very nice way. Let's see the swatches of both these blushes. If you ask me if I'm going to repurchase this again, absolutely. It retails for 75 rupees. I would actually repurchase the shade Dusty Rose once it's over, because it's a beautiful pinkish blush that suits my skin tone really well, and I like a little more mauve or a little more dusty pink sort of tones on my face, on my lips, on my eyelids, like literally everywhere. So that's kind of my shade. I would definitely restock it again once it's over, and I highly recommend all of you to grab these. You can grab this from Nykaa, from Amazon, from Inside Cosmetics website. It's literally available everywhere. I think even on Purple it's available, so you can get it from anywhere you want. So that was all about my short little review on Inside blushers. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'm gonna be seeing you soon in my next video. Until then, you take care. I love you all. Bye.